Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing your workspace and removing the old band. Use a spring bar tool or a small flathead and lay the watch face down on a soft cloth so you don't scratch it. Once done, compress the quick release or spring bar inward to free the strap. Do one side at a time to keep the loose pin controlled. Make sure you note which side is the top of the watch so the new band will sit correctly. Now attach one half of the new band. Insert the spring bar into the strap end and align it with the lug. While holding the strap at a slight angle, compress the bar and seat one end into the lug recess, then gently release so the opposite end snaps into place. You'll feel a small click when it's secure. If the band sits crooked, remove and repeat. Proper seating prevents twisting and ensures sensors or buttons remain unobstructed. Attach the second strap in the same fashion, making sure both spring bars click and the band sits flush against the case. Next, fasten the watch and adjust the buckle or clasp so it fits snug but comfortable. Tuck excess strap into the keeper loops. Finally, test by moving your wrist. If you notice looseness, immediately remove the strap, reseat the spring bar, or swap to the correct length pin. That one troubleshooting step prevents dropped watches and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.